We turn now to a rare event where high-profile lawmakers of all parties came together in one spot to support one big issue. Governor Tim Walz, Speaker Lisa Demuth, Senator Amy Klobuchar, and Representative Brad Finstad, all on hand for the opening of the Sustainable Aviation Fuel Blending Facility in Rosemount today. It's a first-of-its-kind effort to create the supply chain that can produce this renewable fuel on a large scale and deliver it to MSP Airport. Gordon Severson gives us a look inside.
Good morning and welcome to Flint Hills Resources Pine Bend Refinery.
For many years, the refinery in Rosemount has produced a lot of the gas Minnesotans use to drive their cars and trucks. And very soon it will produce sustainable fuel for the airline industry.
SAF in real volumes doesn't exist anywhere yet.
SAF, which stands for Sustainable Aviation Fuel, is made out of agricultural products like corn and soy, and also cooking oil and animal fat. And soon this facility will produce millions of gallons of SAF that will be sent directly to MSP.
It's going to generate immense demand for feedstocks. It's going to create jobs.
Delta President Peter Carter says one of the biggest roadblocks for SAF has been the cost. He says it's about 3 times more expensive than regular jet fuel.
We would hope that as the industry grows and develops, that at some point it's at least at parity with jet fuel.
Several top-level elected officials across both parties support this idea of growing the industry in Minnesota and becoming a global leader in SAF, including Governor Walz and 2 of the top governor candidates, Lisa Demuth and Amy Klobuchar.
We want to make SAF the expectation and not the exception at airports across America, and it starts right here.
Republican Brad Finstad says the project will help local farmers, like his great-grandfather.
Would he have ever imagined a day where his great-great-grandchildren would be driving a tractor with an iPad that drives itself, producing crops that will fuel jet planes?
And there is a lot of room to grow when it comes to sustainable aviation fuel. Here, they can produce about 30 million gallons a year. But the president of Delta Airlines says worldwide, the production is about 700 million gallons per year. Whereas Delta, he says, burns about 4 billion gallons a year alone. Gordon Severson, KARE 11 News.